Adding custom badges is a really important part of sponsorships. They will appear next to sponsors' names in comments and on live chat, making them stand out. You can upload multiple badges so that your sponsors will progress to the next badge the longer they sponsor you. Think of images that will make your sponsors feel connected to your channel, whether that's your logo or in-jokes or some other images they'll find meaningful. And think about the progression from one image to the next so they get more and more awesome the longer a viewer keeps sponsoring you. Here are a few things to keep in mind when you're making your badges. You'll want to make sure that they follow YouTube's terms of service and community guidelines. Also, be sure not to violate others' copyright or privacy rights. Each badge should be under 1 megabyte in size and a minimum of 32 by 32 pixels. Keep in mind that the badges aren't very big, so keep them simple. Once you meet these guidelines, just upload your custom badges. I'll see you at the next step.